Home Tower, Mooney 9167 Victor on the ILS 4.
Mooney 9167 Victor, Bolton Tower, continue inbound on the ILS approach, report commencing your circle east of the field for the left downwind to runway 22. Wind is 270 at 13 with gusts of 22, altimeter 29 or 88.
Full flaps. Bit of a crosswind.
A little bit. Gusting crosswinds, 13, gusting 22.
Yep. Alright, gears down in green.
Alright, on.
Alright. And Tower 9167 Victor, I'd like to taxi to the FTO for parking.
967 Victor, taxi straight ahead, Alpha 3 to parking.
Straight ahead, Alpha 3 to parking, 67 Victor. Runway in sight, final looks clear. Alright, gonna dump in full flaps. Marine traffic 67 Victor, final 26 Marine. Okay, gears down in green. I got full flaps, got the carb heat on, undercarriages, mixture fully rich, prop fully forward, switches for the land. Coming in super fast. Alright, just line up the runway. Gears down in green. Wing down. Okay, so this lap should be pretty fun. We have a 17 gusting 30 last time I checked, crosswind from about a 60-degree angle coming off of our left, and then winds aloft are about 60 knots, and it's been kind of dusty all across the ground, so we'll see what this feels like. Okay, boost pump on, landing lights off, nav light, go ahead and turn it on, anti-collision lights on, transponders on, trim set for takeoff, flap set for takeoff, mixture fully rich, prop fully forward, friction lock. Already made the radio, or the takeoff call, let's go. Alright, got the left wing down. There's our gust. Wow. Alright, gears in transition. Oh, this is fun. Back down some power a little bit. Try to keep this one getting going too fast. Work down some trim. Go ahead and get up to altitude. altitude though. Alright, we're about the beam point of the numbers, kind of getting thrown around a little bit. Whoa, shit. That was fun, hit my head on the ceiling. Alright. Close down. Don't want to get blown over the runway. Base is going to be very short. Heat. Alright, dropping the gear. Gears down in green. Working the flaps. And we'll keep our speeds up a little bit here. Marine traffic 67 Victor, base 26 Marine. Yeah. Marine traffic 67 Victor, final 26 Marine. Wow. Alright, way past the runway. Plenty of time to intercept. Alright, full flaps. Keeping our speed up. We got plenty of runway to work with. Gears down in green, mixture fully rich, prop fully forward, switch is set for landing. Wow. Alright, as we get to the numbers, we'll transition into a crab. Got a gear down in green. Transition into the low wing. Okay, that went really well, actually. Marine traffic, 29167 Victor, departing runway 26 Marine, close traffic. Okay, so looks like it's less of a crosswind than earlier, but still mostly crosswind.
Airspeed live.
Alright.
70, 80.
Okay, one off the ground. We're in transition. .300 density out. Whee! Now we're over the tree.
Yeah, buddy. Wow. Hell yeah.
Hold it.
Right on.
Marine traffic 67 Victor, turn and final 26 Marine.
Good.
Lost a lot of altitude there because of turning out of that wind.
Didn't blow the runway though.
Oh yeah, I did that earlier, so I figured out what I got to do. Okay, gears down in green, fully flaps all the way down. Don't need quite that much airspeed, but
110 knots, or 110 mile an hour, sorry.
yep.
Grabbing hard now.
Yeah. Wind's shifted mostly out of the south now. Jeez. Alright, gears down in green. Double check me on that, please.
Down in green, go.
Wow. This is better than the first one, but it was harder. They were all over the damn place.
That was awesome. Right on. Hey, you got somebody watching.
The plane still wants to fly right now. It's coming up on me.
Visibilities are all unrestricted. I do show strong southwesterly winds gusting up into the 30s. I'm showing that the Wright Brothers Airport is the closest. Their automated put the winds 240 at 1 east, gust 30. Visibility on 0, ceiling 5.
Richmond traffic, 39167 Victor, departing runway 33, close traffic. Alright. left wing heavy. Damn. Wow. Alright, gears going up.
Richmond Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 234 Zulu weather wind 230 at 23 gust 31 visibility 7.
Okay. 230. So it's almost a perfect crosswind. We're going to have a 10-degree tailwind component here. Alright, carb heat. Backing off power, going to slow us down a little bit. Get us inside the white arc. 10 degrees of flap, or 15 degrees of flaps. And dropping the landing gear. Alright, so time to check, make sure the aircraft is configured for is fully rich. Nav lights on, boost pump on, anti-collision light on. Gear is down in green. The fuel selector is on the fullest tank. We'll leave it on, we'll change when we take off. Richmond traffic, moving 9167 Victor, base, runway 33 Richmond. Final. Richmond traffic, moving 9167 Victor, final, runway 33 Richmond. Alright, full flaps. Alright, slow us down a little bit. Full nose up trim. Left wing's heavy.
Wow. I felt the gust. I mean, just...
Wow. That was all the aileron I got.
Okay, so 30, right?
Okay.
Gusting 30, that's all you got.